How's it going, everybody? My name's Bee. I'm down here at Emerald Coast Harley-Davidson. We've already gone over the stage 1 and stage 2 kits, so we just wanted to go over the stage 3 kit with you now. Basically what the stage 3 kit entails is going to be bigger cams than the stage 2 kit itself. It's also going to come with a big bore kit, so bigger cylinders and pistons, and some of the kits you can get high compression pistons if you would like. And then we're also going to get in the heads and upgrade the valve springs in the physical head so they can handle the higher lift cams. Alright, so in a stage 3 we'd basically be putting in new cams which go in your cam compartment here in the heart of the engine. And this is what gives your engine the attitude that it's going to have. Also in the stage 3 you would get bigger Screaming Eagle pistons. You can either run the flat tops or the high compressions. I think these are the high compression billet ones. They're really nice. And then you would get the bigger cylinders to go with it. And then also we would take the stock valve springs off and put in the bigger handling valve springs to handle the high lift cams, so you wouldn't run into any issues down the road of wearing out any components early, anything like that. Everything's designed to work together, so you won't run into any issues. The benefits of a stage 3 kit is obviously more power than the stage 1 or 2. Just to brag on your buddies and be able to leave them at red lights is always a good feeling. But they really run their best. They're great highway bikes. If you like to do road trips, you'd have plenty of power. You wouldn't have to downshift to pass cars. Fully loaded, you would still make plenty of power to do whatever you need to do. So yeah, if you're interested in a stage 3 kit, come on down and see us at Emerald Coast Harley-Davidson. Myself, Bee, or any of the Master Techs here would love to help you out.